to repeat in the 11. Real Madrid coach. And to mark the occasion, wholesale changes to the starting 11 from this side that started the Clásico. In fact, only Dani. Well, the new year off to an unusual start for Real Madrid. The reigning Spanish, European, and world champions, making the 2.5-hour trip to Soria. Did Peremilla just do? Delivered near post. This is Nacho. Teo Hernandez. Into stride here, a promising attack for Real Madrid into the box.
He had a clear passing angle. We'll take another look at this as he makes his way into the box. Forward, including the fullbacks, as you'd expect.
Vallejo. Catapulted forward again for Borja Mayoral. Laid off for Lucas Vázquez from the edge of the area, through the legs, down inside of the box, and he's given it a penalty for get a chance from the spot.
I'll take another look at this. This is like an extended, absolutely.
It's not Valgadas in the end. It's Carlos Gutierrez who commits his first start in 100 days for Real Madrid. And he's buried it. It's Madrid 1, Numancia 0.
One penalty apiece. Right there, Bale does get Munir to cheat to one side.
This is Lucas Vázquez. Asensio strong on the ball. It's Asensio!
Either foot, he strikes it so well. So much power with those.
Outswinger, back post. Ceballos. Lovely ball into the box for Carvajal. Brought down Carvajal. Lucas sends it. Ceballos has won it. Forward for Carvajal. Near post at left back. There is Mateo. Might have just lost his balance before the contact with Teo. Bale. Llorente. Works out for Llorente. Foul whistled against Diamanca. And a yellow for Diamanca. Fourth Numancia player booked. And a second yellow for Diamanca, so he's off.
On a yellow card, and this could have been really, really dangerous, Andres.
Ceballos. Ceballos measuring up. Ceballos. Face Celta. And we'll play the return leg. Look out, there's Real Madrid stretched. Oh, catches the underside of the.
Andres, there's your wish, and it was Llorente in the midfield, just a poor touch.
He's trying to find Lucas. No foul by, or spotted by Estrada Fernandez. This is Isco into the box for Lucas. Lucas looking for the angle. It's Isco from the spot. Isco!
Had to roll it onto his left foot and hardly had any time to take that final shot. Thought maybe there was an offside, but there's the proof. Lucas, well, given the expectations, given his lack of minutes with the first team.
Look at Madrid again, it's Lucas. Left on the doorstep here for Isco. Get a second bite, Isco. Calvo and back the other way in numbers comes Real Madrid. Kovacic has Lucas on the near side. Kovacic into the middle. Kovacic leaves it for Lucas into the box. Lucas Vázquez. Tripped up, another penalty for Real. A chance for Real Madrid to get a fifth different penalty goal score.
Left that right leg out. That is poor defending. And caught him.
Isco from 12 paces out. Drills it past Munir. It's 2-0 Real Madrid and a fifth different.
Gotten the ball. And that penalty, it does not get any better than that. Doesn't matter where Munir guessed it.
Isco again on his right. Leaves it for Llorente. Ashraf measures up, delivered into the 6. Borja Mayoral makes it 3.
Delivery into him is absolutely pinpoint. He looks to be kept on side.
Gutierrez.
Yep. Just that.